Hi, this is your science master. Today I brought you how to score 95 plus in this video class. Let us know how is the exam pattern. According to the announcement of our government, your new exam pattern will be has two papers. In first paper, there are languages. For example, Kannada, English, Hindi or Urdu. It is for 120 marks. That means Kannada for 40 marks. All MCQ questions will be asked. For English, it is 40 marks. And again, you have all multiple choice questions. Regarding Hindi or Urdu, it has 40 marks. And here also, you have all MCQ questions. In the second paper, has core subjects for 120 marks, that is maths, science and social science. Each subject has 40 marks. For example, maths 40 marks, all MCQs, science 40 marks, all MCQs, social science for 40 marks and all MCQ questions. So this is your new pattern of examination. Here, to score 95 plus, you need to remember four things. First one, you should glance the chapter in the view of MCQ because it is your new pattern of examination. Secondly, self motivation. Third one, practice. And lastly, you have to remember dedication. Let us see one by one in detail. Glancing the chapters line by line. While glancing the chapters, you should make important notes in separate notebook. Highlight the important points with a marker of your choice. Overview the functions of various parts of the diagrams which are given in your part 1 and part 2 books. Answer the questions which you know the correct answer first, and then your mind will become free, it gets open up, then you can solve the other questions easily. And you're supposed to make your own MCQs, means you know some important questions. Okay, read topics pin to pin, means you have to be very thorough in each chapter because we don't know what kind of MCQ will be asked. Prepare key points. As earlier I told you, divide your chapters according to your convenience. Need not to read part 1 first, part 2 next. No, not like that. According to your convenience. Make your own decision and read, practice MCQs. Practice most frequently asked MCQs. In earlier the pattern of examination also, they used to ask some MCQs. Okay, if you consider last 3 years papers, you will get some important MCQs. You practice those questions, will be helpful for your examination. And secondly, practice makes man perfect. So this is a very common precise. You should solve as many as MCQ, means you should not stop if you practice 20 for first question, first chapter. No, read the other books for MCQ, and write the answers without seeing, and once you finish your work, then you can check your answers for correctness. Mark if you wrong answered, and practice those questions 5 times or even more. And self motivation, you know that every time I used to say to my students, no one can motivate you until you motivate yourself. So don't wait for opportunity. You should create your own opportunity. That means you have to show what you are in the examination. And dream big. Why? Because dream and dedication are powerful combinations. So always you should be dedicated for your examination and your destiny. Dream it for 95 plus. Take a huge jump so that you will be blooming like anything. So don't delay your work. Think and ink. It is the question of your life. All the very best for your exam, and maintain SOP while you go to the examination hall. Once again, I will say all the very best.